Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about something fascinating. It is how engineers build AI robots with the human-like sensors such as touch, vision, smell, and memory. So this may sound futuristic, but many of these technologies already exist. So let's break it down in the simple terms. First of all, let's just understand the core idea. The humans experience the world through the senses, like our eyes, skin, nose, and brain. Robots work in a similar way. Instead of the biological organs, they use electronic sensors and AI systems. So, first of all, let's start with the vision. Robots see using the cameras and the depth sensors. So, these devices capture the images while AI models process them to recognize the objects, faces, distances, and the movement. The next is touch. To simulate touch, robots are basically going to use the pressure sensors and artificial skin. So these sensors detect force, texture, and contact. This allows robots to grip the objects gently, adjust the pressure, and avoid the damage. Now, when we talk about smell, some of the advanced robots use the chemical sensors that detect the airborne molecules. So these sensors can identify gases, odors, or the environmental changes. Finally, memory. Human memory comes from the brain, strong experiences. So robots use the data storage combined with the machine learning. So the AI records patterns, past interactions, and learned the behaviors. So this allows robot to improve over time rather than starting from the scratch. So when all these systems work together, robots become more adaptive and responsive. They don't fully feel like humans, but they can interpret sensory data in ways that mimic human perception. So if this video helped you understand how the robots simulate human senses, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.